Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and today we learn about string. So in my previous video I have already discussed about data type variables and in this video I will discuss about what is string. So string is the data type and it is a collection of character or it is a sequence of character. So before using string we have to follow some rules and there are some syntax we have to use. So I will explain all the syntax, all the rules for you. So please stay with me or watch till the end because it will be helpful for you. So what is string? So string is the data type or it is a sequence of character. So for example, if I write here the variable name is txt and if I write here the value is the hello world. So hello world means it is the string or it is the sequence of character and it is the collection of character. Okay. So, so what is the rule while declaring the string type value means it is enclosed with double quote or single quote. So it is valid. When we declare our string type value within double quote, so it is valid. And also when we declare any string type value within single quote, so it is also valid. For example, if I write here new txt and new txt is another variable, and if I write here the value is here welcome, so it is also valid. Okay, and if I write here print txt, so then I get the output. Also, if I write here print new txt, then I get the output welcome. So we can use single quote or double quote while writing our string type value. So this is the syntax we have to follow while creating our string type variable, string type value. This is the simple syntax or this is the syntax. So next rule, what is the next rule? Next rule means while using single quote or there is some double quote or in any sentence, so you have to enclose it within single quote. For example, if I have a variable and if the variable is same variable I will use here txt and value is for example I want to I want to go to my native place because good. Okay. So you can use single quote within double quote. So it is also valid in string. And when I print here, print txt, so then it is valid. So I want to go to my native place because it's good. Okay. So I just forgot to write good here so for that because it's only printed here. So it is also valid. And if I write here the new txt, another variable is new txt. And if I write here within single quote, I have to write the value hello one and I have to write here hi. So I think it's also valid. If I write here print new txt, then it is also valid. Okay. So it is also valid. So within single quote, you can use double quote or you can use double quote within single quote. So both ways you can write your code in Python. So you can use this code in your Python means the string allows this type of code. So you can next move to multi-line string. Multi-line string means when we have multiple statements or we have multiple sentences. So how we can print or how we can declare it in a variable. So if I have a variable and if the variable I used here same variable txt and I have sentence, for example, I have the sentence here. Uh, My name is Sangeeta, and the next line is so for that you have to write here for multiple statement or for multiple sentences. You have to write it. You have to enclose it within double quote. So my name is Sangeeta. Here I wrote here. I have written here. Next I will write here. I am a programmer. I like to watch motivational videos. Okay. So you can write this type, but here I think my text already has gone. So I have to write another text here or another statement here. So for example, I have to write here, my name is Sangeeta. Again, I write same. My name is Sangeeta. And I have to write within triple quote because I am going to write multiple statements here. So for that, I have to enclose it within triple quote. And then I have another statement. I am from Odisha. I am from UP. Okay. Next, I like to move, like to watch movies. Okay. So you have to end also with triple quote. So it is also valid. And when I print here, print txt because here the variable name is txt, so you can write here print txt. So the value is my name is Sangeeta and I am from UP and I like to watch movies. Okay. If you have multiple statements or multiple sentences, so then you have to write or you have to write that variable or values within triple quote. Okay. So you have to write within triple quote means you have to also end with triple quote. So this is the syntax when you have multiple sentences or you have multiple statements. So in this way, you can declare your sentence or statements in Python. So next move to string formatting. So next move to string formatting means how we can use string formatting. So next topic is the string formatting. So here I comment here string formatting. String formatting means before we move to the string formatting, first we have to know about string formatting. String formatting means within a string, if we have to use any expression, we have to use any variable, then we can use string formatting. So how we can use string formatting, I will explain it. So keep watching this video, stay with me. So I will use here one variable name. So name here is the variable name and the value here Nissan. And Nissan is a string type of value and the variable here age and age equal to 10. Okay, 10 is the value and it is the integer type value. Integer type value. Okay. So how I can use age or name inside any string? For example, if I write here print and inside print I have to write here my name is I have to write here variable name means I have to write here name and my age is age. So I have to access the value. I have to access the value or variable. So how I can access the value from the variable name here? So for that we use a string formatting. So how we can use the string formatting? So for that I have to write here printf. So for that you have to write here printf. This is the syntax. Then you have to write single quote or double quote here. Then my name is, you have to write here variable name, because Nishant is stored in the variable name. So for that here the variable name is the name, and you have to write within curly bracket here. And also my age is also the variable name. So for that age is the variable name. Age is not a text. Age is the variable name. So for that you have to write also in curly bracket. So you have to write like this, and you have to in the double quote, because you write here saying a double quote here. So for that you have to end it. So here the output is my name is Nissan and my age is 10. So this is the right way. So you can format like this. Means formatting means string formatting means if you have variable and you have to use that variable inside any string. So how we can get that variable or how we can get that value inside any string. So for that you have to use string formatting. So how you will use that string formatting? By using the syntax. Means inside print function you have to write f, and within print function you have to write the variable name, and you have to write the variable name within curly braces. So this is the syntax, or this is the rule, you have to follow it. So for string formatting you have to follow this line. So there is also some other rules. You have to write string formatting. For string formatting there are two or three methods. I will explain it. So the next method is, for example, I have to write here the then another method. So same variable I will also use here, and I will use here the expression here. Okay, and if I write here print my name is name and my age is, and I have to write here, I have to increase the value age value. So I have to write here age equal to age plus 5. I have to increase the value age. So age value is 10, and I have to increase the age value is 15. So for that age value will be increased to 15. So you can also do it. So my name is Nisan and my age is 15. So you can also do it, means you can add any expression inside any string. So it is also valid in Python. So the next string format is, you can use string format, means str.format function. How you can use it? So let's move to that point. So you can use, right, like you have to write print my name is, for example, I have to write here 0, and I am 1 years old. So then I have to use the format function. So how I will use the format function? After that I have to use dot format name, and within format function I have to pass the value name and age value. Name is the string value and age is the integer type value. So let's see. So my name is Nissan and I am 10 years old. Okay. So my name is 0. 0 means the name value. The name means name is the Nissan, because name holds the value Nissan. So Nissan value is stored in 0. So and 1 age value is 10. So age is means age will be stored in 1. So my name is Nissan here and I am 10 years old. So you can also use this type of formatting also. And the third type of formatting is you can also use the old style of formatting, means like this. For example, in C and C++, we can use percentage a for a string and percentage d for integer type value. So you can use this type of formatting also. For example, if I write here print, my name is percentage is, so percentage S for string, and I am percentage d for integer, because in C and C++ you have already known about it. Percentage d is used for integer value years old. So dot format. Then I have to write also here dot format function, and within format function I have to pass the variable name here, name and age. The variable here name and age. So I have to pass here. So my name is percentage I, and I am percentage d years old, but the value name and age is not here. So I have to find out the value by the name is not coming. So for that I have to find out. So let's move to that point, or let's move to that code. Yeah. You don't use dot format function. You have to use percentage name or age, because you are using here percentage age for string, or percentage age for name, and percentage d for age. So for that, my name is Nissan and I am 10 years old. For that, you have to use here percentage. Don't use for dot format function, because here in the above line you are using here format for the name and age, but here you can use only percentage here. You have to use only percentage here. So this is all about string formatting. And in this video, you have already know about what is string. String means it is a collection of character, or it is a sequence of character, and it is a data type. And you have already known about what is multi-line string, or how to declare multiple statement or multiple sentence in string, or how to use string formatting in string. So this is all about string, and also I will cover all the topic about string in my next video. Keep watching and stay with me, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.